This is Mr. Rahul. He is the CEO of an Indian company in which a significant amount of data is handled every day. Mr. Rahul was eager to get his company PDPB compliant. Key elements of the PDPB include the obligations of the company that determines the use of personal data, the data fiduciary, and the rights of individuals or data principles. The fiduciary's obligations include collecting only the data needed for the purpose of processing, keeping that data only for as long as it is required, and deleting it thereafter. As well as fulfilling their obligations, fiduciaries must ensure that individuals' rights as defined in the bill are upheld. These include the right to obtain confirmation from the fiduciary on whether their personal data has been processed, seek the correction of inaccurate or incomplete personal data, and have the right to be forgotten. In each case, Mr. Rahul needs to be able to establish what personal data his organization holds, analyze it to benefit the company and its supply chain, which could improve productivity or even generate new revenue streams. And if Mr. Rahul's organization was to face a personal data breach, being non-PDPB compliant could result in a significant financial penalty or imprisonment. Mr. Rahul got in touch with GBA Consulting, who offered their PDPB data services. Together, they discussed Mr. Rahul's company's needs, and GBA used the leading data governance platform DataBelt by AIM to analyze all their data and execute all data protection activities, ensuring a robust data protection posture. GBA's PDPB data service goes above and beyond, really assisting companies in their digital journeys, resulting in happy customers. With the range of price packages available, the GBA's PDPB data service is available for all companies, from small to big, and can be tailored according to your company's data needs. Contact us for more information about our PDPB data services.